today on 15 on 15.
The Ebola virus is a public health emergency of international concern. Aruba needs to take precautions. Plus, in our lifestyle segment, we take yoga to the very next level. And a dog wash as well as a car wash at the same time. Find out what these students are organizing. Thanks for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. The World Health Organization has declared the Ebola virus as a public health emergency of international concern. Therefore, Aruba has been notified and asked to take precautions. Since September 28, 2014, the World Health Organization, also known as WHO, has documented 7,178 cases of Ebola. Out of those cases, 3,338 people died from the virus. On the 30th of September, the Pan American Health Organization, also known as PAHO, first announced Ebola surfacing in the United States. Reason being, Aruba needs to be alert since large groups of Americans account for the tourism traffic here. Aruba, together with local as well as international health partners, are working to ensure safety. It is strongly advised for anyone on the island experiencing any symptoms of Ebola to contact the Department of Health right away. The symptoms include fever, severe headache, muscle pain, weakness, as well as vomiting. Ebola is spread through in-person contact and exchange in bodily fluids with someone else who is infected. And moving forward in other local news, Ahata is organizing its 13th consecutive coastal beach cleanup. It isn't only the act of cleaning up that is important in keeping our beaches clean, but it is also the awareness. Let's find out some of the top items found in the areas during these cleanups. It is important to keep the beaches clean. It is a big job that requires every single person to play their role.
There is yearly 650,000 people who participate in the coastal cleanup in 44 states and 19 countries. One of them is Aruba. I would like to thank all the volunteers already who take their time and make a commitment to keep our ocean healthy.
There are specific wastes found more often than others during cleanups. Pay extra attention to the following items and make sure they find their way to the garbage.
I would also like to mention the top 10 items that yearly are found during a coastal cleanup, which are cigarette butts. So everybody who smokes, please take them with you. Food wrappers, beverage bottles, bottle caps, straws, grocery bags, beverage bottles, glass, paper bags, and beverage cans.
Besides, for the act of picking up the garbage on the beaches, bringing awareness is a crucial part of the cleanup.
And we have to realize that this is not only a cleanup, but this is also a chance to educate everybody. Please, if you make use of our beaches, if you live here or if you're a guest on the island, keep our beaches clean. Bring a bag, put your stuff in there, and when you leave, throw it in one of the garbage cans that at this moment are at almost all the beaches.
The Coastal Beach Cleanup takes place November 8th from 8 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. The last day to register to volunteer is October 22nd, 2014. For more information and to sign up, call 582-2607 or email vanessa@ahata.com. Kids need to stay active. Besides for keeping them in shape, it also helps them to progress better in school. The International School of Aruba provides their students with a variety of options when it comes to sport activities. There is something for everyone to do.
We have several different things. We have the artificial soccer field. I don't know if you've been to the team, our school. So we actually have an artificial soccer field. We have an indoor basketball area. We have our own beach tennis courts that can be used for beach tennis or for beach volleyball. So we have the sand courts. So we work in partnership with Beach Tennis Aruba to run some beach tennis. We work in partnership with a fencing group, and so we offer fencing. And then after school we work with Dance Academy, so we offer some dance programs. We have dance studio. And then the soccer field, we work with Ibiza for the different things that they offer here. and then with some other schools in the Caribbean to play off island.
Studies have proven that students who move and take part in sports do better in school.
There's a lot of activities. Some involve sports, some involve art, some involve dancing, but a lot of things for kids to do. All the research shows kids that are active and actively involved in team activities and different type of things do better in school as well. So that's what we try to support.
And on that note, we will be right back. Stay with us. Coming up right after the break, find out what makes this toothbrush cost $4,000. Thanks for staying tuned to 15 on 15. Nowadays, there's smart everything from phones to TVs and now even smart yoga mats. Yes, yogis rejoice. This smart mat has the ability to take your measurements, determine your wingspan, and figure out exactly how flexible you are so you can avoid trying things you know won't work or could potentially hurt you. The best part is the audio feature that allows users to simply listen to the technology rather than staring at it all session. Take a look.
Good morning. Today's class will be a light vinyasa flow. Bring your feet together, palms in front of the heart. Let's begin. Inhale to rise. Press down through the feet as you reach through the right side body. Shoulders back, hips high. Left leg comes forward. Hug the legs to the midline as you reach the arms up and back. Bring more weight into the back heel. That's right. Now glide your right knee forward. That's your perfect pose. Hold 1, 2. Lower your heart. Jump back the feet. Pull the chest through. Breathe. Well done. Your practice is complete. You scored 89 out of 100 today on your personal scale. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.
The Smart Mat is already sold out, but you can pre-order them online for $347 at www.indiegogo.com. And there has been plenty of studies over the years that show wine comes with a solid set of health benefits, from decreasing your risk of stroke to helping men produce better sperm. Now there's another. Vino may help stop acne. Researchers found the primary antioxidant found in red wine could be an effective treatment for acne. The thinking was that red wine may have properties that might help fight the bacteria associated with breakouts. It was found that the ingredients in the vino kept the acne bacteria from growing in the long term. The combinations of many things in wine seems promising to fight acne. Now, if you thought your $40 electric toothbrush was cool, think again. This Yentl luxury toothbrush has a sleek design and the heftiest price tag of all, at $4,000. The Yentl luxury toothbrush is made with sleek aluminum. Makers of the brush say it is the perfect balance between medical function and aesthetic beauty. It is uniquely designed with German precision engineering. The full titanium body has unparalleled durable strength, yet decisively lightweight. It's also got an antibacterial protective coating. For $4,000, you can use this forever since it uses replacement brushes. The makers of it calls this toothbrush a timeless luxury. $4,000, I'm not sure if it even guarantees me pearly whites that I would even buy that. We will take a break. Stay with us. When we come back, it is all about creative fundraising. A few students on the island are thinking outside the box when it comes to their next fundraising event. They are organizing a typical car wash and integrating World Animal Day. The Kiwanis Circle K Hulikio EPI invites you to their dog car wash, offering plenty of educational information on being a responsible pet owner while you get your car cleaned. In celebration of World Animal Month, the Kiwanis Circle K of EPI wants you to keep your car as well as your dog clean.
Well, the idea was that since in the month of October it's World Animal Month, and on the 4th of October, which is the official Animal Day, There were a lot of events, so we figured instead of doing it on a specific day, since the whole month is the month of Animals Appreciation Month, we decided to do on the 25th of October a dog and car wash, which will be you can wash your car and you can come to wash your dog.
The team is striving to be unique. This is their first fundraising event, and they want it to be a memorable one and not your typical car wash.
Well, basically, we wanted to start a new concept either because no one, I think, ever heard of a dog and car wash. So we wanted to come with new items instead of just a normal car wash like we are all used to. Do a car and dog wash where you can wash your car. It's been really rainy days lately, so you can wash your car and at the same time give your dog a nice bath.
You can make a family day out of Saturday, October 25th when you visit the car wash. There will be live music, food, activities for kids, and information for pet owners to update them on dog laws and policies.
In addition to that, we also are going to have a kids corner so the kids can play. There's going to be face painting and different other surprises. We're going to have also a booth from the Animal Relief Foundation, which will give information about the new legalization process for the dogs inside their yards. If you have questions on how to treat your dogs, they will be there with lots of information. We're going to have a great kitchen with F&B, so it's going to be a really, really great evening.
It is necessary for pet owners on the island to be more knowledgeable regarding their role. A movement is indeed needed to mold responsible pet owners.
Well, basically, I think it's a really big issue because there's a lot of issue going on between dogs that are not in the yard, people that do not treat their dogs well, and sometimes it's because of lack of information that the people get on how do you treat your dog better. So I think with this event, it can raise awareness also that your dog deserves a bath once in a while, once in a month. And also with Animal Relief Foundation, they can provide you with good information, with, for example, the nutrition that you can give your dogs.
You can get your car or dog washed, or both, on Saturday, October 25th in the parking lot of Colegio EPI. They do have a special package offer and individual prices. The special package includes a car wash, dog wash, a drink, and hot dog for 35 florins. To buy tickets or for more information, visit their Facebook page, Kiwani's Circle K Colegio EPI. That is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll be back here on Wednesday night with all the latest in lifestyle topics and for the latest